I went down. My knee, it's broken. No, it's fine. Okay. It does hurt though. Finally. Oh God. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I just need an extra camshaft, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this belt here, remove the camshaft. You know. All right. What up, guys? It's super early in the morning. I'm flipping tired, but I want to go find some trails, so I got some time before I have to be at work, so that's what we're gonna go do today. I have a spot that might be promising. It's a little bit of a ride out here, but you know, all the places I've checked in my local area, you know, are all private property, and you know, blah blah blah, I can't ride here, so we're gonna have to go a little out of the way here, see if we can find some place to ride. Maybe I could do a little review on the bike as well, since I've had it now. I've got about 540 miles on it, so we're almost due for our first service, the first oil change at 600 miles. So yeah, this is my new bike. It's the 2019 CRF 450L. You know, I had the sport bike, I had the R6, but I wanted something, you know, that I could take off road and great, tons of power. The bike got plenty of power for the street, more power than you'll ever need off-road. But yeah, even for the street, you know, it's a 450. Not, you know, it's probably not quite as powerful as the off-road version, of course, you know, because it is a road legal model. Oh, my alarm's going off. That's what it is. I'd be sleeping still. I'll have to pull over and turn that off. You know, suspension's good, all that stuff, you know, it's obviously better than the 250L. I know people complain about the service intervals, but it's really not that big of a deal. I mean, oil changes every 600 miles. It takes 2 seconds. It takes 2 seconds. It's one drain bolt. You got to take out the filter. Big deal, you know. It's not like it's hard. And valve checks, you know, if you're not doing those yourself, okay, that's still not that big of a deal. Every 1,800 miles is when you're supposed to check them. In my opinion, after the first time you check it, you know, they're either going to need one small adjustment or they'll be completely fine. And after you check them every time after that, I'm sure they won't need any adjustment for a very long time. You could probably skip, you know, your valve check intervals if you really wanted to and not have a problem, if that's how you want to do it. Me personally, I would just check them just to be sure. But if you want to just, you know, trust Honda, that you know, they just, obviously they're conservative, so you just want to trust Honda and call it good, I'm sure that'll work fine too. So but like I said, the oil change, man, it takes 2 seconds. There's, you know, I don't know how much oil it takes, 1.5 quarts or whatever it takes, but you know, you drain the oil out, replace the filter, fill it with oil. I mean, it probably takes you maybe 20 minutes, maybe. Check this out, guys. This is what you can do with these bikes. I love it. What does that trail go to? Why are they not marked? Well, look at this. I already found some trails. Interesting. And these are not marked as private property or trespassing, so I like that already. Maybe this is riding trails up here you're allowed to ride. I'm not sure. Yeah, I just need an extra camshaft, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this belt here, remove the camshaft. You know. Let me just get some gas real quick. I'm just getting some gas real quick. Finally, oh God. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's good. Let me just slam my bike down. Oh, it's much easier to lift it that way. Maybe that's why people do it all the time like that. Oh, my lever. My clutch lever is bent. Clutch lever's bent. Nothing else I don't think is fucked up. What a dumb thing to fall on. Anyway, a little jacked up. Little jacked up. Oh my God. Jesus, fuck, dude. That fucking hurt. Good thing I was wearing a helmet. I did not see the gravel there. Fuck me, dude. Good Lord. What the fuck? What gear am I in? Go down. I'll just hold the clutch lever. Oh, okay. Ow. That hurt. Ow, that hurt my knee. How is my bike not destroyed? What the fuck? What the fuck? Like the plastics aren't like completely ruined? Okay. Well, hell, that's pretty good. Ow, my flipping knee hurts. But anyway, god dang. Come around the corner and you can see I just washed out on the gravel. Oh, here's the end of my clutch lever. Oh my gosh, we can just save this. You know, no big deal. I just crashed, it's fine. Ow. That really sucked.
Did you just wipe out?
Yeah. Ow.
Need any help?
No, it's just a small spill.
Did your bike run in? Because my husband's got a trailer if you need it.
No, I think the bike will be fine. It shut off once it tips over, but just the gravel, I didn't notice the gravel. I was coming around the corner. And
do you live up here?
no, yeah.
They just did this shit to the road.
Yeah.
Probably the third person.
Oh, God.
Called about it.
Yeah.
It's bullshit.
Yeah.
Do you have it on your cam?
Yeah, I was filming the whole time.
Okay. It's Post Falls. Let me give you my email address and send it to me.
Okay.
I will get with Post Falls and complain like motherfucker.
Oh, good, thank you.
I'm a nurse. Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah, I was low speed. I was probably doing like 20 miles an hour.
You got your, is that your, yeah.
Yeah.
One of those.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all good.
Like, shit. The guy that went.
Okay. Gosh, my knee really hurts. Oh, that's why it hurts. It's all poopy. Anyway. I went down. My knee. It's broken. No, it's fine. Okay. It does hurt though.